Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove your About section on the Pinterest app using your PC with the latest update. If you want a cleaner profile or just prefer not to display any personal information in the About area, this simple guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This icon opens your settings menu, where you can manage different aspects of your Pinterest profile. After clicking the gear icon, select Settings from the menu that appears. Inside the settings, find and click on Edit Profile. This section contains all the details about your Pinterest profile, including the About bar where you usually add your personal or professional information. Now, locate the About bar. Simply click inside the text box and delete all the content in it. Make sure the box is completely empty. This will effectively remove your About information from your profile. Once you've cleared out the About section, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located either at the bottom or top right of the page, and click on it to confirm your update. And that's it. You've successfully removed your About section on Pinterest using your PC with the new update. If you ever want to add new details back, you can just follow these same steps and type in your new information. Thanks for watching.